So people ask me, what do you travel with? One of the things that I take on my flights is a good quality set of headphones, and I do like the Bose brand. This new one came out, which is the QuietComfort Ultra. I did some reviews online and it did have good feedback, so I'm going to give it a try. It's a newer product. It's wireless. You sync it with your Bluetooth, and it's also rechargeable, which is nice because the old set I had required batteries. The reason why I bought this brand, first of all, is that I've been very happy with the performance with the previous set that I had. So I guess I would say I'm loyal to this brand. They're a really good quality brand and they know what they're doing. It's a bit of a premium product. But what's great about these new ones is, well, first of all, I do like the color. It's a nice neutral color. It's not black, so it's a little bit different. And they're supposed to be very comfortable on the ears. It's a wireless set of headphones, although there are cords included. They charge with a USB port, and the sound's supposed to be incredible, so that's a big deal. And then the sound on my last pair was pretty awesome to begin with, and that was an older pair. So I'm really excited to see how these turn out. And they have built-in mics, so that's also cool, because the previous pair I had were just headphones. These ones have mics on them too, so maybe I'll do some video editing with them. Who knows, maybe I'll even do voiceovers with them and see how it goes. But I do plan to get back to you and give you some feedback on how do these actually perform. Nice neutral color. All right, nice little zipper. What I do like about the Bose carrying cases is that they do have a nice little elasticized pocket there. That's where the cords are. This looks like one USB cord here, and then the little round jacks. So this is helpful because on a lot of the planes, in particular JetBlue, they give you free movies and free TV, but you need to plug in your headset. And then, ta-da, beautiful. Right, left, let's give it a try. If you want to know where to buy these, I will leave a link in the description. Headphones are just one of the essentials in my travel kit. I like to bring them on planes. I'm more into trying to find the planes that actually have some kind of entertainment on the back of the seat in front of me, as opposed to, you know, reading or just looking at my small phone. Have a great day. You've been watching Cruising Jules. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about cruising.